The second phase of the Indian national movement. The causes for the partition of Bengal were: 1. Bengal was too large to be administered as a single province. 2. There were pockets of minorities in East and West Bengal that required protection. And 3. The split was a way for the British to increase revenue through trade outlets. The nationalists had their own perspective to the partition of Bengal. They declared the day of partitioning as a day of mourning and fasted. 2. They asked people to fill the streets singing Vande Mataram, which became the song for the national movement. 3. Hindus and Muslims tied Rakhis to one another on Raksha Bandhan as a symbol of unity. And 4. Rabindranath Tagore wrote Amar Sona Bangla, which means My Golden Bengal, which was sung by paraders on streets. Within the Congress there were two factions. 1. The moderates who preferred a diplomatic approach to freedom. And 2. The radicals who wanted a more aggressive one. Moderates wanted to achieve Swaraj using softer means like discussions, while the radicals wanted to do so with strikes, agitations and boycotts. Moderates believed in resolutions and petitions, but the radicals did not think it will achieve anything. This led to the split within the Congress at the Surat session in 1907. The objectives of the radicals were: 1. To gain complete freedom of India not as a dominion. And 2. They wanted to oust the imperial regime by means of mass struggle, because they felt that the old diplomatic ways would not prove effective. There were three primary methods used by the radicals. One is that Swadeshi and boycott became a political mass struggle. 2. Students were called upon to boycott schools and colleges run by the government. And 3. Special institutions were established to impart education according to the needs of the nation. With this we conclude the topic on the second phase of the Indian national movement.